Hello and welcome back to the Blue Skies YouTube channel. My name is Garrett and today we are going to be covering how to repack a Restube Safety Inflation device. After the rest tube has been inflated, we will need to deflate the bag so it lays flat like shown. You can also use a pen or other blunt object to depress the one-way valve. Next, remove the used CO2 cartridge. You can also remove the automated release mechanism at this time. Before installing the new CO2 cartridge, ensure the pull rope is relaxed and the needle is not showing. Secure the flap with the new green security tab to ensure the pull string won't activate the device. Double check that the needle is fully retracted, then install the new CO2 cartridge. Make sure to install it tightly. You can now close the cap on the release point. Carefully identify the new automatic release system. It will have a green cap with some red showing. After laying the tube flat with the cartridge facing you, carefully fold in half along the crease. Then, starting at the tail end, fold in an over-under fashion along the pre-existing creases. Take the black strap and wrap it around the device once, attaching the Velcro on the strap. Carefully repack the red bag with the bundle, leaving the automatic water sensor poking out the side as shown. Attach the manual release pull string to the white Velcro strip on the flap, and then close the flap. Congratulations, you've now repacked a rest tube.